Why to compromise on taste to stay fit? Here I have got this fat-free cake for you all, which even diabetic patients can eat. Hello everyone, welcome to the Kanchan's kitchen. This cake neither contains maida nor sugar, yet it's going to be soft, spongy and tasty. To know how? Watch the video till the end, and if you like today's recipe, do hit the like button and share with everyone. Also comment and share your experience with me. To make easy yet tasty recipes without any hassle, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified every time when I upload a new recipe. So, to make the cake, ingredients required are 1 cup wheat flour, half cup milk, 1/4 cup oil, half cup jaggery, 1/4 cup curd, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence and half teaspoon baking powder. For garnishing the cake, we will use some chopped pistachios, chopped almonds and some watermelon seeds. All the ingredients are supposed to be at room temperature. First, let's grease the mold with oil. You can use any shape of mold to make the cake and give a coating of maida. Tap and remove the excess. Keep it aside and let's preheat the vessel, as today I will be showing you how to make the cake without oven. You can take any vessel with heavy bottom and make sure your mold fits into it. Make a bed of salt at the base. You can use this salt multiple times. Now place the ring over it and a plate like this for extra support. Cover it and keep it on low flame to preheat. Let's make the batter now. Add half cup of chopped jaggery that weighs 100 grams and half of the half cup of milk to the mixer jar and grind it. We will use the leftover milk later. On grinding, it turns out like this. Now sieve 1 cup of wheat flour and discard the leftover. Here, in another bowl, add 1/4 cup curd and 1/4 cup of oil. Whisk it with the help of whisker. At this point, add the grinded jaggery by sieving it and whisk it for about 2 minutes. This would mix all the ingredients well with each other. Now add 1 cup sieved wheat flour in portions and keep mixing. Also add the leftover milk and mix it all. Batter is quite thick, so let's add more 1 tablespoon of milk. At this point, add half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of milk over the baking soda. Mix and whisk it all well. When you achieve a consistency like this, transfer it into the mold. Tap and set the batter into the mold. Garnish it with watermelon seeds, chopped almonds and chopped pistachios. So here it is, ready to be baked. Meanwhile, the vessel is also ready. Now slowly place the mold into it and cover it to bake it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Using the same process, I had made Indian cookies called the naan katais. Do find its link in the description and the card above. Let's check the cake after 30 minutes. Cake has puffed up nicely, so let's check it with the toothpick. It has stuck a little, so let's bake it for more 15 minutes. Now after total 45 minutes, it did not stick on the toothpick. But to achieve the perfect texture and color, let's bake it for more 10 minutes. After total 55 minutes, cake looks perfect. Let's turn off the flame and carefully remove and keep it aside to cool down. Make sure it cools before you demold it, else it won't come out easily, resulting in a broken cake. Now the cake has cooled down. So with the help of knife, free the sides of the cake and place the cake board over it and flip the mold on it. Tap and pick up the mold. Cake has come out easily. Turn around the cake this way, but be careful as it's too soft. Here's the healthy, eggless, soft and spongy cake ready. Hope you liked today's recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Also do subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end.